Welcome to CPM2. My name is Bjorn Willemsens. I've been a pricing consultant for 22 years, and since more than 10 years I've been a fixed faculty member on the CPM2 program. So for 10 years already, I've been coaching and training people potentially like you on improving their maturity and their pricing skills down to gaining transactional control. What I think is most useful of the program is the learning experience, not just for me as a consultant with the 120, 150 projects I've done so far, but also from your peers that will be in the room. So sharing experiences, having those discussions, working on best practices, also the failures that happened during projects and so on. We discuss those live, we share it, we discuss it in depth, and you will have key takeaways to take home to your company once you're back from the learning journey. Why it would be really good that you attend is also for your further career development. This is just a baby step into pricing, which means that you have a good curriculum that you start from, but you pick up a lot of concepts, and it's just one of the first things you'll do, which you can leverage during the further development of your career. Thank you.